this video, we will move to 2.3 to go through this startup tutorial modeling session together. It's called this 008 more video. We hope it's within 1 or 2 or maybe more videos, so we can go through this quick the tutorial. So as you for your information, so I keep updating this mind map. So I already make this the closed, but you can expand that if you want to view. And we will go to this step by step from this video. We're still in the getting started, and after this section, we will go into more detail on this the user's guide and to learn some the desktop UI repository and then these different domains. And another information I hope to share with you is on the GitHub. So what I have updated is here in the GitHub. If you go to the link, so you can come to this enterprise architecture link, and within that I put a folder called Sparx. During the past 7 videos, you can click here, the direct link to see the README, which I just posted newly. This is the mind map file, which you can open that as I showed in through this free plan software tool. It's an open source tool, and I will going to export that into our image and post here so that you know the structure in high level during this user guide. And the following are the videos list. So I put every video with this cover page. Then you can click and you can see in the bottom is the video link, directly go to the YouTube. Then from this video I will keep adding more when I publish that to the video channel. So those I hope give you some convenient that you can search for the history information. And then for this today, so we will see the one by one from this tutorial session. So first, we have installed the Enterprise Architect tool. So you can see this icon here, and it's also in your program files. And here you can familiar with the different extension and the capability to connect to either the database or the project with cloud. For our tutorial, we're using the local project. If you change the default system folder named during installation, then you will need to find that in your the folders which you installed. So let's go to here. In the first part for our create project, let's go to this hands-on one by one. So we will do our new file-based project creation and also add a template-based model to kickstart your modeling. Once your new project has created, you will have our simple use case model to explore and tailor to your experiments, and also can reopen your project at any time by doubling the work, the file browser, and then can see the recent list of the start part. So first, let's start. Once it's a start, you can see like this page. Let me make that smaller. And I put that here in the right side. Then this navigation page is showing here, so it's no problem. So when the startup page displayed, click on the option. We will create a file-based project, open personal project, create new. So let's see here. It's popping up in my another window, so maybe it's good I put that in the right. Then you can see what I'm looking for. So if I click here, you can see it's open or new. So well, we can also use the startup page to open or create new. So that's the same. So you can use either way. Then that will be creating our new one. So in the extension, so you can see here QAE, QAEX is the extension. Default is this one. We have more, so we also have our EADB. So we select just the default one and give a name. In the file name, type in our distinguished name. So tutorial quick. Let's call that this one. So we will have this one. The name is here. And to create a starter model, click on the model. So you can see from here. Let me move this. Click this and click on this new model from pattern. Click on the 3 line here. So this is the create from pattern. So all perspective is here. So let's do our filter. So I'll select from UML. Our perspective. Let me see how I can select that. UML and then behavior. Then it's a short list and click on the create button. So we will see the use case diagram, second one, basic use case model, then create model here. Result is the model wizard automatically create a new use case model for you. So you can see here is the templates. You imagine that like are predefined the class, and when you create a model, you create our instance of this model. And from the browser, click on the basic. Now we have this one, basic use case model. We have actor, we have a use case, and these are blank. And then we have our basic use case model here. Your diagram is now showing, so we will double click that. Then this is our instance of this use case model. It's too big. Let me see whether I can view that. So we can click next now. Now we will move to add a view to your model. A view is our top level package within a model. Let's first save. It can be categorized by purpose, such as use case view, components view, deployment view, purpose being indicated by using different type of the icon. So let's add a view. So this is our diagram. So in the project tab of the browser window, right click on the model and select add view here. The new package diagram will be popping up here. In the name field, we see here is our view. So use case view. To select an icon for the view. In the view, click on the button to the right of the name, so here. simple use case, use our icon. We suggest the simple now, so let's use the simple. Click OK, so create a diagram. New view is created as a child of the root. 6 type of view, the diagram type in the model. So let's go ahead, add a new package. Design package, add package. Package hold the model building block, diagram, elements, other package. Begin developing your model. You create an initial package to hold your first diagram and the models. Add package, display the name of the current select package or view. If it's not required, click on the 3 dot. So let's just let's create a package view. So use case view, and this is the use case view. Default to package 1. So if this is not in the package, on the new package diagram, let's see. So where is the new package? Here. Default to package 1. New test package. Select and apply. Pattern. Create diagram. So let's go to, do we have any? Yeah, we use a package view. This icon, package only. Click on to create in the browser. Select and apply radio button. So we don't have this radio button. Oh yeah, here. The start page create from pattern displays. Select the appropriate perspective and the model. Select apply model pattern. Create diagram, the new diagram dialog. So let's try the select and apply model pattern. So we have our starter. Maybe we use this one and create model. Add to test package. Yeah, we can see here we have our new submodel here. So this model has this the starter use case. And create a new diagram. Click on the package. Let's go to this as our package now. Click on the browser window here. This is the new diagram. All controls insert. Let me see if I create this, is coming to a new diagram. If I use a control insert, same new diagram. Select design. Design diagram or add. Right click package and view to add. So design diagram. Where is the diagram? Let's see. So maybe I put that bigger. Add the package. Diagram. Add a diagram. So this will open this one. And the last way is here. Right click. Add diagram. EA provide a default diagram name that is same as the parent package. So we have test and the diagram is the test. test. Let's see. Diagram. Click on the select from and select the perspective. So let me create our Archimate diagram. In the diagram type, select the diagram type. So Archimate, we have like TOGAF, we have a different view. So let's make our business. Or maybe let me see capability map. So let's create this one and click OK. So that is the diagram. We already have this one. Insert, collaborate. Now we can start to build other elements. Okay. Okay, now it's show a blank diagram. It's not like those. If I choose, let me create another diagram. O aspect, create a UML, OUML structure, and then the object structure. So now I have another diagram. It's the UML based. Let's go moving forward. Create a new element on the diagram. Let's back to our diagram earlier. Display on the property window. Property window is here. Let me click this. Close that. This one, property window. Select start. All window design create. Start all window. Design create. Design create. Property is here. Design model from pattern, new elements. Yeah, let's follow this. Display the diagram on which the element to be created. Diagram view. In this example, we must change the requirement toolbar page. First, change the requirements perspective. Click in the toolbox window. Click change. Toolbox window. All window design. Those are the all windows requirements. I don't see the requirements here. Property requirements here. I see this one. That's the responsibility. Change. First, change the requirements perspective. Change to requirements. here. All requirements. Oh, just not all. So requirements. So we have this one. Now choose the requirements toolbar. Click again and choose requirements. Click on the appropriate icon on the toolbar page to select the type of the element. Toolbar. Click on the diagram requirements, project requirements. Let's use just our one level requirements hierarchy. Create our model under here, and we have our, this is our requirements, and click toolbox, and we can see package requirements. Then we drag, click on the diagram at the location. Yeah, you can see you don't need to drag. You click this element, then you can put here. Just click, then your requirements element is put in here. And the initial detail is in the property. Use the property to define the name. Like we see requirements 0001. This will be changed here. And the proposed, we can change those. You can also add the detail like author, so you have those easy. So that's in the property. And you can also, I think it's this one, can put here. Like this view, so you can drag your toolbox to here, and you can, I think you can change the sequence. Then you can save your view of this diagrams space. Then let me save. You can see the start here. Then you can control. Oh, let me see here. I have the save. There's a no save box button, but you can use a Control S. Then it's saved. That's nice. Moving forward. So next is adding our connector. So where are we now? So we add here. So we add our connector. Let's continue. So display the diagram toolbar. Diagram toolbar, toolbox. Select the design. Diagram toolbox. Open the diagram containing the element to be connected. Let me try to connect this one to the requirements A. Click on the select diagram open, then click the required icon. So let me open my this diagram is the Archimate business part. So let me see, I want to build our capability 1. So it's marketing. That is one capability, and the capability 2, market strategy. Market analysis. So this, let me also change this. I think it's not marketing, so it's marketing management. Okay, so let's use this to make our connection discuss. So you can see here, you can do the alignment. Click on the required icon in the toolbox to select the type of the. So you can here. So this is the connector. You can use the quick link. Yep. So composed of. So marketing management compose market strategy. So I use composed of. Oh, so that is wrong. So let me delete that. It should coming from this compose of market strategy, compose of, just drag here. And we use click the require, click on the source, and then drag to the cursor to the destination. So that we create our the linkage. And if we switch to the requirements, we can also use here is, let me drag here. So aggregation to whole. So this is whole. So that is depending on which we are doing. So if we put the requirements A is the top, so that is aggregation to part. So we put this require 0001 is part like this A.1, A.2. So those are the things so we need to pay attention to. And then moving forward is modify property. Well, we already have some the try. So if we go to diagram, let's go back to here. Is this diagram property? So we can see here modify element or connector. So first we can see here is our marketing capability model. For example, that is our this view or diagrams. Let's see what we can change. If you click here, this is the element, okay, the ones, and here is the relationship or the connector. So part of. So let's see part of. Or we can see belongs to. So that which you can have this one. So well, we don't need the others. So you can change to anyone. So if you want to change this property, and then save change. If there's throughout most of your work, any change you make are automatically saved when you close the diagram on which. So in some cases, the diagram show our saved button or apply button when you can. But here on this diagram, I don't see the save button. Press Ctrl S is always the thing, or click here. Do we see the save? Save current change, you can see. But this change is only save on here. So if you click Ctrl S, also save same as this one, Ctrl S. So right click is always working here. Okay, so that is learning so far. We come to here. So we already done here. Let's go ahead. It's copying, move, delete. So let's go ahead to finish those quickly. In the browser, if I want to copy our element in the browser window, copy paste or copy paste here. So I want to make this, let me see, copy paste, copy or copy image to this, apply image. So let's see, use copy, and then I use paste element as link or element as new. So I paste this and the new element. You can give a new element is the 002. Now you create another element, and if I paste that as link, this diagram already contains an instance of this diagram. Currently only one instance is supported. So let me try to paste this one here. Even these are not our requirements, the diagram. But let's see. So from one level requirements hierarchy. So I have this one. This is our requirements. Let me use. You can press the F2. So requirements hierarchy. So I changed this model name, but looks like, let me see, one level. So where is that coming? So here is still coming from one level, but if I paste again, it cannot allow me paste. So let me delete this. Then paste again, paste as link. So now you can see it's reflected our new model or package name. So that is, I hope it can be auto refreshed. You can observe that as well. So that is the copy and the paste. And we can change the object around. You can move element between package. So here is my to package. If I want to move this market analysis to another package, so I can just move to here. So now this one is our Archimate capability, but it's now belong to the requirements hierarchy. Or you can move this to another diagram. Including is the connector. So those are the moving. And within a package, you can also adjust the order. So I put this, let me see. So if I can move this here, move this here. So now it's back to the test package. And I want this to come to here. Click and if I put in here, I want this go to down. Let me see. Can I put that? Oh, this one. The same package, I think. Yeah, the same type of the package. You can move that the up and down. So I want market management will be top of my other the components. You can use this button. And the reset order. So let me see. Right click on the package. Here is a reset order. Content. Let me go to content. Reset sort order. Now it's a reset because marketing is by the alphabet is should be the below of this market. But let me manually do that. So you can at any time reset that back and move package object between package. We already did that in a diagram. Fine. So between diagram is the cut. Cut means if I want to do the copy. Where is the cut? Let me see. Default toolbar explore. Display the default tool. Explore portal. Portal show toolbar and the default tool. Default tool is here. So I can cut this. These are the cut. And go to the another one. Let me do the paste. It's here. Then if I back to here, it's not here anymore. So this is move element between diagram. So let's make the save on both. And moving on, connect to our different element on our part. So let me see whether I can connect these to requirements. Then that's depending on the definition. So these requirements from the Archimate, we don't have our the relationship between them, so you cannot connect. But if there's the related part, then you can definitely like I make a user, and I can make connection to user, so associate. So now this user is associated to this requirement. If I create another requirements diagram and I cut paste these user requirements to that another the diagram, then I can make the connection as well. And the delete are as a connector. So right click, you can do this delete, or press the Control Delete key. Delete, select element from model. So let me see that from model. Remove. So if I just delete this, it's not, you can see hide. You press not control delete, but just delete, you got this choice. Hide is just invisible in this view, but this relationship is still in model. But if we use control delete, that is coming disappear or deleted from model. So we can hide that. And let me see whether I can drag this again. Requirements. I think these are not the double. Switch to relationship view. Function. Requirements. Link. Then I recreate this relationship. Then delete element, that's the same. So if you click here, delete these two, then it's not deleted from your model. So let me do the, and if I use control delete, it's delete model, it's disappear from here. So that is the thing you can see. So remove element from diagram, so that's the same. Delete element we already test. Yeah, so that is the very quick tutorial. We hope is we are go through this quickly. Now we have some hands-on the tactic on your own. So how to manage some model creation, diagram creation, and then package, element, and then the connector, and then you'll get some understanding about the copy, paste, move, delete for this element, and also manage how to customize the property and show, hide the toolbox. So many the hands-on tools, I hope you get some idea. Then next video, we are starting to move to the section 3 to understand the application desktop. Thank you for your watching.